Hey guys, it's Cassidy Condie.
Hey guys, it's Zoi Lerma.
And this is TikTok or Not.
I'm serious, I can't feel anything.
Oh, are we playing?
Yeah, it's from TikTok. She's like, hit me. I'm like, TikTok.
I was just doing it because I was like, Zoe. Okay.
I had no idea that you did.
What's
I
up?
was like, I think it's from TikTok, right?
No, it's not from TikTok. Why am I
Where's it
yelling stuff? What? Well, I mean, that audio is on TikTok, but it didn't originate from TikTok. So,
I don't know what it's from.
Yeah, can I get a Big Mac?
Yeah. Big Mac.
This is from TikTok. Or what?
Or what?
Yeah, can I get a Big Mac? Or what?
Yeah, that's from TikTok.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh my god. So there's more drama.
Yeah. I found out this morning that Jaden likes Nessa, so. Yeah.
From Call Her Daddy podcast.
Yeah,
Mads
I'm fine.
Mads Lewis, we love you.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love it. Yeah.
No, this is not from TikTok.
Oh my god! What is that?
That is not from TikTok. That was from Cardi B's live stream. Instagram live, I'm pretty sure.
It's from her Twitch.
It's from her Twitch.
Bestie vibes only, bestie vibes only, bestie vibes only.
It is from TikTok. Because I've used that audio before.
For what?
She's like,
I wasn't in it, so who?
Huh?
Who was your best
Bestie
friend?
vibes only.
Bestie vibes
Who
only,
was in
bestie
it?
vibes only.
Who is it? I actually don't know, but I've definitely used that audio. So, definitely from TikTok.
I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
That is from a YouTube, isn't it from a
Oh yeah, but I saw it on Vine. No, it is from a YouTube video, but I saw
You
it
wanna
on
take a
Vine
nap?
first.
Good
Job.
Going right? I won.
I won. Okay.
Hey, how are you?
TikTok, TikTok,
this is
TikTok.
from I was like, I've never.
And she was like
like,
saying
different
how I'm
ways.
gonna protect
My
my
friends.
friends with the club.
Spit it out, bitch.
Hi,
Yeah.
Sarah was finally home. Caillou was very happy to see her.
You! Ni hao.
Yeah, that one is not from TikTok, obviously. What? Well, yeah, it's not. It's an audio. It's not
Sarah
from TikTok.
was
It's from
finally
Caillou,
home.
Obviously.
Caillou was very
love you, Caillou.
Ugh, I hate people that work at the bank. Shh, I work at the bank here.
Yeah, this is from TikTok.
I've never
Diary
seen
Queen.
that.
Diary Queen.
Shh, I work at the bank.
No.
You've never seen that?
No.
I work at the bank. Come on, TikTok queen.
I'm only a dancer.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think my
Why?
outfit is pretty gorge.
Raquel, did you mean gorgelicious or gorge-tastic?
No,
Barbie.
I meant gorge. Are you learning a foreign language?
Bruh.
It's short for gorgeous.
Dude, that video was
That
so funny.
video, we did a video on Basti Bondi.
But
that shit
that's
was
from
so funny.
a Barbie movie or a Barbie show.
But it's
I don't
not
know.
from TikTok.
Barbie, no TikTok.
That's from TikTok. That was from TikTok. That one.
I don't know. I really don't know. Am I happy today? Am I happy?
TikTok. Oh.
Yes! I got 6 and Cassidy got 5. I don't know why I got so excited.
Fine. She never wins anyways.
Really?
I win at
Really?
everything. I win at life. I win at lip fillers. I win at extensions.
Yeah. I'll give you that one.